Yeah, hey guys, no matter whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, knowing the facts about dyes is really important. This is our Resin wood range. A lot of the dyes on the market will fade over a period of time in direct sunlight. If they are not in direct sunlight, they should last for years. But if they're in constant direct sunlight, they will fade. Especially for coasters and things like that, or if you're doing like window hangings that you want the light to pass through. So just be aware of that when you're buying your dyes. Just check with your supplier to make sure they're colour fast. Here at Resin Wood Tables NZ, we fully guarantee our dyes. I can assure you that these dyes will not fade. These are actually a solid colour, but you can make them transparent by putting a lesser amount in. These are 100 gram containers, and the price will be listed on our site. I'm sure you'll be very happy with the Resin Wood range, as we aim to provide not only the highest quality but the best priced products for our artists.